Welcome, our phone is a OPPO A5 2020, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into the device. So before we begin, you need one thing, which is this SIM eject tool. Oh, well, this isn't really, but they come provided in a box. This is a paper clip, which I'm using as a substitute. And all you really need is just something that is long and sturdy that will fit in there and be able to push out the tray. And the tray is located on the left side of the device, so right here, as you can see. So you want to push the tray out. As you can see, it popped out. And once you take it all the way, you have space for 2 different SIM cards and 1 SD card. So I'm going to begin with the SD card, which I think it goes this way. Yeah, there we go. And then the SIM card goes with the cutout to the bottom right corner, like so. And while sliding that back in, you want to make sure that you're holding it secure in place, otherwise it will just fall out. And once you put it back into the device, it will probably lock right now with the pin for the SIM card. So there it is. Let me just put in the pin. And you can see that the SIM card is working. And is there anything about SD card? Let's go into the settings and I guess storage. And you can see there's the SD card. So both of them are working just fine. And that is how you insert SIM and SD card. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.